My interest in plant science developed in my second year of my degree because there were some very engaging plant scientists teaching plant development, the ABC model, but also because there was an opportunity through Gatsby to do a summer studentship, and I sort of became more motivated to be interested in plants because there was that opportunity to go with my interest. The original interest that I had in plants was very much developmental biology. I think I was interested in developmental biology first, and then I became interested in plants as a sort of really good model system for studying that. And the route from there to where I am now, I guess it's something of a straight line, because I'm still a plant developmental biologist. That's what I've studied for my whole career. Although it's a straight line with lots and lots of wiggles in it, I'd say. The model species that we work on in my lab at the moment mostly is Arabidopsis thaliana, classic. We do some work with wheat and barley as well, but that's a kind of more developing thing. We're not that great at it yet. What I enjoy most about my role is that my role changes all the time, day to day, week to week. I think that diversity is actually quite important in remaining motivated. So I do still massively enjoy the research, but I also enjoy teaching far more than I ever thought I would. And it's really stimulating. I wouldn't want to do it the whole year, so it's great that at a university we don't go the whole year and there's time to do research in the summer. PhD student training, I'm involved in a lot of kind of formal PhD training initiatives, and I find that very stimulating too. So I think it's that mix of roles. If I was trying to inspire someone to become interested in plants, and I suppose to some extent that is my job as a lecturer, I guess I would try and get them to open their eyes to the amazing way that plants solve problems without being able to move, without being able to communicate in obvious ways that we can see. They have this incredible ability to manipulate their environment, to manipulate other organisms, and I think sometimes students just need their eyes opening to see how incredible plants are. But really the motivation has to come from them. There's only so much that you can do.